boys and girls, this is Mrs. Garl with your first OG lesson of the week. And let's get started. A vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. A consonant is all other letters. These are the short vowels. A, I, and A. Very good job. All right, let's do both of the vowel sounds, the short sound and the long sound. E, A, I, U, O. Great job. Let's do our consonant sounds next. V. No English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. D. Z. O. K. B. K. S. P. M. T. X. S. J. No English word ends in J. W. N. Qu. Q is always followed by U. G. J. Very good job. All right, let's try some consonant blends, consonants that work together. Twa, bull, gull, nch, pt, nd, uk, thra, sk, shr, spra, ska, sm, sna, spl, scra, spa, nt, fla, der, fur, st. Good job. All right. Owl, add a puh. All, add a m. Ang, ing, ong, ung. Add a bruh. Brang, bring, brong, brung. Ink, ink, onk, unk. Add a huh. Hank, hink, honk, hunk. Good job. All right, I need to see your bee checker. It's on your left hand. Take it out. You should have the stick and the ball of your bee right here on your left hand. All right, I want to hear bee or not a bee. Good job. Let's keep going. All right. A syllable is a word or part of a word with only one vowel sound. And you can say these with me. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, z is spelled ZZ. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, is spelled LL. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, is spelled FF. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, J is spelled DGE. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, S is spelled SS. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, Ch is spelled TCH. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, K is spelled CK. All right, let me mix those up for next time. And on we go. These are some of our vowel partners. U, A or E, I, O, oi, ooh, ow, oi, ooh, a, aw, a, e, E. And remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, and the second one is silent. E. All right, don't forget about 1 plus 1 plus 1. If you have a one-syllable word and one short vowel and one final consonant, you have to double the final consonant before you add a vowel suffix. And compound words. You all should be experts at compound words since we had a whole spelling list about those. It's where you take two smaller words and put them together to make a bigger word, such as classroom. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a word that changes the meaning. And here are some of our suffixes. Est, s, us, d, t, ing, li, full, less, ness, ish. Very good job. And let's talk about a prefix. Prefix are a letter or letters added to the beginning of the word that changes the meaning. Un, such as untie. Prefix. Miss, misprint. Pro, as in proceed. Re, as in rebuild. And dis, as in disapprove. Very good. Okay. Silent E or magic E. It changes the vowel sound in the word. If you see a silent E, it goes from a short vowel like to a long vowel like U. Okay? And here's an example of that, if I can find one. Let's do hop turns into hope. See how it goes ah in this one? Op. And this one says hope. It says its name when you have this silent E. Hop and hope. All right. This is the E drop rule. You have to drop the silent E when you add a vowel suffix. So this one is bike, and you change it to biking without the silent E. All right, these are some sounds that we learned last week. Eind and ild. This one's like kind, and this one is like mild. Okay. And we also talked about these sounds last week. Or could be inside a word. If you see that, it'll help you sound out the word. Look for or. Look for the pirate, R, inside a word. It'll help you sound it out. Look for, this one is This one says and this one says They all have that same sound, but if you see them in a word, it'll help you sound it out. Okay? This one can also be a suffix, can it? Like bigger. Very good. All right, what I want to talk to you today some more about are these three words. There, and there. Did those sound like the same word? All right, here we go. This kind of there means a place, like over there. Okay? This kind of there means that you own something. It is their house. It is their classroom. It is their shoe. Okay? So a place, and you own something. They own something. This one is a contraction, which is what we've been doing in our spelling lesson last week. It stands for they are. The A and R is missing. That's why the apostrophe is there. So this says there also. Now, if you have a sentence where you can substitute they are, then you know that it has to be this one. Okay? So for instance, if you would say, they're going to be late, well, you could substitute they are going to be late. They're going to be late. Then you know it has to be this one. A place, they own something, and they are. Okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to read you some sentences, and I want you to say, one, if it should be this kind of there, two, if it should be this kind of there, and three, if it should be this kind of there. Are you ready? Here's number one, my first sentence. They're going to learn algebra next year. What do you think? 1, 2, or 3? If you said 3, you are correct. They are going to learn algebra this year. Okay? The next one. Will we get there before 8 o'clock? Which one? 1, 2, or 3? Well, there is a place. Will we get there before 8 o'clock? So it should be number 1. There is a lot of work left to do. Number 1. There is a lot of work left to do. Austin and Evan told me they're coming. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Austin and Evan told me they're coming. If you said 3, you are correct. They are coming. And the last one. If you need to go back to school, I can take you there. It's number 1. It's a place. I can take you there. Very good job. So think about that when you're doing your writing. Think about those different kinds of theirs that you can use. All right, I am going to push this desk over and pull my words over. And let's say these together. Are you ready? Birthday. No, I want you to repeat after me. Birthday, shirts, squirting, thunder, monster, tinder, finger, temper, discard, absorb. Okay? Let me talk to you about these 2 words. Discard means you throw something away. So when you discard in a card game, you put a card out. Discard. Absorb means that something soaks up something. Like a sponge would absorb water. Okay? And I think the rest of these you should know. The word squirting is when you spray someone with water, right? I think the rest of these words you probably know. By the way, I want to know how observant you are. Did you notice that I am not in my classroom today? Well, here's what happened. I was getting ready to record this lesson after school, and some workmen came in and needed to get in my room. So, Mrs. Jones was kind enough to let me come over to her room and record my lesson. So when you see her, you should tell her, "Thank you for letting Mrs. Garl use your room." All right, here we go. Medium fast. Birthday, shirts. Squirting, thunder, monster. Tinder, finger, temper, discard, absorb. All right, let's go fast. Birthday, shirts, squirting, thunder, monster. Tinder, finger, temper, discard, and absorb. All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Did you beat the teacher? Keep practicing your reading and you'll do it every time. So, have a great day and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.